Hello everyone, welcome to another segment of CIS 2010 tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to create a pivot table. First things first, go ahead and put in your name, then type in your ID. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Pivot Table Project to start. Alright, so once you've clicked that, it brings you into a new worksheet. First step to take is to turn this into a table. Alright, so go ahead and click on Home. Click on Format as Table. Does not matter which one you choose, just go ahead and choose one. Go ahead and click OK. And now it's an organized table. Once you've gone ahead and done that, go to Insert. Go ahead and click on Pivot Table. And then go to OK. Now it brings you into a new worksheet. So this worksheet is exclusively just for your pivot table. Alright, to start off, we're going to need an X and Y. So take retailer country and put it under columns. We're going to take order method and put it into rows. Then we're going to go down and find revenue and put it into values. Alright, we're going to go ahead and change sum of revenue to average. So click on value field settings. Go down to average, click on it and just hit OK. Alright, now we've gone ahead and changed it to the average of the revenue. And go ahead and exit out of pivot table fields. Now we got ourselves an organized pivot table. Alright, next we're going to learn how to filter a pivot table. Go ahead and go to column labels and click the drop down arrow. It will bring you into the filters field. All these countries that are checked are right now present in our pivot table. Go ahead and click on select all to deselect all of them. And we're only going to use two countries. Gonna go ahead and click on United Kingdom and United States, and this will make them present in the pivot table. All the empty boxes are not going to be present, they will be excluded. Go ahead and press OK. And now we have ourselves just two countries and the averages of all. Alright, so the next step we're taking is to go ahead and create a pivot chart for our pivot table. Now go ahead and select the whole table. Go to Insert. Gonna go over here to clustered. Looking for, a clustered bar chart. Go ahead and click on it and boom. We now have our own bar chart. Alright, so I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you guys. Please leave a thumbs up if it was really helpful, or leave a comment if you have any questions.